It is officially reaction video night tonight. Um, I just got done with one guy in one cup, but it really was a jar. Yeah. Uh, this guy, crap, what's his name again? Jalen 285. Black dude kind of reminds me of a gay friend of mine in Alabama. But, for some odd reason, he's been going on these, like, reaction crazes too, so am I tonight. And this is my reaction video to, uh, one guy, one screwdriver, and so far what I can tell he has a screwdriver in his wing and a jar in his butt. Let's get this started already.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Oh! Oh, blood is squirting right out of it. Who would be stupid enough to do that? Ah! Now this is in his bathtub and he's showing all the blood out of his wing. And it's in the sink. Wow. That was a short reaction, but dang, that was big. Huh. Anyways, might as well get more reaction videos down. I hate you, Jalen. I hate you so much. Why is it turning off?